Good things come to those who wait, but better things come to those who go out and get them. A very warm good morning and a hearty welcome to all. We are honored to have our principal ma'am, dear teachers, and we are extremely happy to welcome all our students to a very special day, the KVS Foundation Day. We are very glad about your presence. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. Education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. Now, the person who has consumed herself to change the society and light the darkness in the life of students, the principal of KV Talashiri, I would like to call ma'am to address the students.
A very good morning to all of you. I wish each one of you a very happy KVS Foundation Day. Indeed, it is great to learn that KVS initially has emerged from 5 central schools which were adopted and has grown now into more than 1200 and odd KVs across the country and abroad. Initially, they were set up to cater to the needs of the wards of the central government transferable employees, especially the army men, to provide esteemed and quality education to the wards. Even in the event of the present pandemic, it has left no stone unturned and has tried to equip the teachers and the students to the online virtual platform for the continual education. Its 58 years of service in the field of education is very remarkable, as it has nurtured social responsible, goal-oriented individuals to the nation. It has left no stone unturned and has made every effort to see that it organizes or devises, incorporates several programs to see that their skills are extracted, talents are honed to produce or to emerge as a multifaceted individual. I am really proud to be a part of such an esteemed institution and shall be willing and grateful to contribute for the same. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. That was indeed motivating and informative. A good teacher will appreciate the good qualities of his students. Our students have brilliant qualities and talents to show it to you. Without waiting, put your hands together for students to be present on the stage for the Vidyalaya Geet.
भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय लाएगा। भारत का स्वर्णिम गौरव केंद्रीय विद्यालय
the world. Life has thrown an interesting curveball at us with the coronavirus pandemic. Good nutrition is always important, but during this pandemic, it has become even more important. So, let's welcome the students of Class 4 to present this skit on this pandemic.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, very good morning to all. Today we the students of class 4 are going to present a skit before you. Fitness beat pandemics. I hope you will enjoy the skit. Hi Rohan, how are you?
Hey Malavika, I'm good. Now you tell me, how are you?
I am also doing good. What are you doing?
Nothing good, just getting bored. Because of this lockdown, my weight also increases.
Yeah, I can see that last year you were very slim. Now your stomach is coming out. But honestly speaking, nowadays I am also feeling lethargic. Hey Rohan and Malavika, what are you doing?
Nothing special, just discussing that this coronavirus and lockdown has affected the health and happiness of the people.
Yes, especially children happens. Guys, don't think like that. You can do multiple fun activities at home like dancing, skipping, yoga, meditation, aerobics. By doing this, you not only entertain yourself but also improve your immunity.
Yes, you are right, Isha. I remember that our PTs are also told that regular exercise and yoga is good for our mental and physical fitness.
We should take care of our health by engaging ourselves in yoga and beat pandemic. Remember one thing, that fitness beats pandemic. I hope you will take care of your health and beat pandemics. And remember SMS, social distance, mask, sanitizer. Thank you and have a very nice day.
Thank you, friends. That was a wonderful performance. And now I would like to welcome our Sujata ma'am to express her views on the KVS Foundation Day.
Tattvam Poshana Apavranam. It is a prayer to the sun to uncover or visualize Satya and Dharma, which are the true guiding lights of our lives. This is the motto of KVS. Respected Principal Ma'am, learned colleagues and parents, and my dear students, Namaste to all. Today, KVS celebrates the 56th year of its inception. At the outset, I would like to congratulate each one of you for being a part of this great organization in varying capacities. The Kendriya Vidyalayas were instituted in the year 1963 under the name of Central Schools. Later, the name was changed to Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan have a fourfold mission, namely to cater to the educational needs of children of transferable central government, both defense and paramilitary personnel by providing a common program of education. Secondly, to pursue excellence and set the pace in the field of school education. Also, to initiate and promote experimentation and innovation in education in collaboration with other bodies like Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) and National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT). It also strives to develop the spirit of national integration and create a sense of Indianness among the children. A uniform curriculum is followed in all Kendriya Vidyalayas with common textbooks and follow a bilingual medium of instructions, that is in English and Hindi. All Kendriya Vidyalayas are co-educational and composite schools. Sanskrit is taught from class 6 to 8 and as an optional subject till class 12. There is no tuition fees for boys till class 8, girls till class 12, SC/ST students and the wards of KV employees. Girls who are their parents' only child from class 6 onwards are exempt from tuition fees. KVS headquarters is in New Delhi. The chairman of KVS is always the minister in charge of human resource development of the Government of India. The deputy chairman is Minister of State for MHRD. The real working power lies with the commissioner of KVS. Then there are additional commissioners to accompany the commissioner in the administration of KVS in different fields. As of October 2020, there are 1,243 Kendra Vidyalayas divided among 25 regions and 5 zonal institutes of educational training. There are 3 Kendra Vidyalayas outside India. They are in Kathmandu, Moscow, and Tehran. These are for the children of the staff of Indian Embassy and expatriate government employees. The head of each Kendra Vidyalaya region is the Deputy Commissioner, accompanied by Assistant Commissioners. In addition, there are individual principals for every Kendra Vidyalaya administrating the schools along with vice principals and headmasters or headmistress. Each Vidyalaya also has several committees for the holistic development of the students, the most important being the Vidyalaya Management Committee. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan Regional Office Ernakulam was established in the year 2012. KVS RO Ernakulam is one of the 25 regions that connects more than 38 Kendriya Vidyalayas across the state of Kerala, Puducherry and Lakshadweep Islands. It is nurturing the education of more than 50,000 students under its supervision. It follows the admission guidelines that incorporate the various norms approved by the Board of Governors and also in conformity with RT provisions. This was about KVS in a nutshell. I shall conclude my speech by saying that Kendriya Vidyalayas are shining examples of miniature India, promoting national integration, patriotism and unity, transcending the man-made boundaries of language, culture, custom, caste and religion, strengthening values, inculcating discipline, wherein the students receive quality education, also being inclusive in nature, whereby catering to the needs of all students in a concrete, innovative and positive manner. Be proud to be a KVL. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Now, here comes Nazneen ma'am and Leslie ma'am with a podcast.
ना मास्क का झुमका, ना हार बनाओ, नाक मुंह दोनों ढककर मास्क लगाओ। जब सही समय पर धुले हाथ, कोरोना को मिलेगी मात। अगर चाहते हो कोरोना से बचाव, 6 फीट की दूरी है सही सुझाव। केवल अपना मास्क लगाए, कोरोना से दूरी बनाए। अपनी चीज़ों को शेयर ना करें, एक दूसरे को सुरक्षित रखें। हेलो हाय करते जाए, पर याद रखें हाथ ना मिलाए। खाने के 4 नियम, चम्मच का इस्तेमाल, धुले हाथ, अपनी थाली या टिफिन और 6 फीट की दूरी। खांसी छींक कोहनी में करना, साथ में रुमाल का प्रयोग करना। अगर चाहते हो कोरोना से बचाव, 6 फीट की दूरी है सही सुझाव।
And now, are you guys excited to listen to a brilliant song by students of primary and secondary? So here, let's enjoy a group song.
चंदन वन सा मोहक प्यारा, नंदन वन सा राज दुलारा। चंदन वन सा मोहक प्यारा, नंदन वन सा राज दुलारा। पूरे भारत का प्रतीक है केंद्रीय विद्यालय प्यारा। चंदन वन सा मोहक प्यारा। सामूहिक प्यारा नालंदा का गौरव इसमें संदीपन का सार यहाँ तक्षशिला नाबंदी का छिपा हुआ संसार यहाँ अनुशासन के पहले इस पर श्रद्धा के सोपान बने ज्ञान और विज्ञान यहाँ पर मानव खुद भगवान बने सत्यमेव जयते का नारा जय बना है आज हमारा पूरे भारत का प्रतीक है केंद्रीय विद्यालय प्यारा चंदन वन सामूहिक प्यारा चंदन वन सामूहिक प्यारा नंदन वन सारा दुलारा पूरे भारत का प्रतीक है केंद्रीय विद्यालय प्यारा चंदन वन सामूहिक प्यारा
Wow, that was an amazing performance. Thank you. And now you will witness another sensational performance by our little angels to spread their colorful magic by displaying their talents. So let's welcome students of primary for a fancy dress that highlights national decoration and unity.
Good morning. My name is Karthik. Today I am presenting the role of first woman Prime Minister of India. I am Indira Gandhi, daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. I love my country even if I died in the service of my nation. I would be proud of it. Now I dedicate a poem to Indira Gandhi, a great leader of human race, a sound justice in every case, a great glory of human race, a modern lady full of grace. Jai Hind!
I am Anushka Srijit. I am studying in second standard. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born on 19th November 1828 in the town of Varanasi. She was great freedom fighter who sacrificed her life for the country. Thank you. Sadhum Chandrasekhara.
Everyone, I am Malavika from class 4. Today I am here to perform as Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Pandit Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father Motilal Nehru was a famous leader and a poet. When India got independence on 15th August 1947, Nehru was selected as the first Prime Minister of Nehru's daughter Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister. Thank you.
My name is Gauri Lakshmi. I am studying in class 4. My character name is Indira Gandhi. I am the first woman Prime Minister of India. My slogan is Kharibi Athao. I was sent by my 2 security guards. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am Sarojini Naidu. I am Nightingale of India. I am freedom fighter and a poet. My name is Shivangi. I am studying in class 5. Ignorance or not knowing about something is always a method of change. Great word in strong. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, also Chachaji.
व्यक्ति की हत्या करना सरल है, पर विचारों की हत्या आप नहीं कर सकते। इंकुलाब जिंदाबाद।
I am Tanmaya. I am studying the standard. Freedom is not given, it is taken. Padmala ki jai. तुम मुझे खून दोगे मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा। जय हिंद।
मैं ऋतुपर्णा, मैं आज रानी लक्ष्मीबाई बन के आई हूँ। मेरा असली नाम मणिकर्णिका है। मैं अंग्रेजों को अपनी धरती छूने नहीं दूंगी। मैं अपने प्राणों की आहुति देते हुए अपने देश को बचाऊंगी। वंदे मातरम।
की स्वतंत्रता के लिए बहुत प्रयत्न किया है। जय हिंद। My name is Ishanvi. I am studying class 3. Ignorance or not knowing about something, always afraid of change. By Chachaji. Thank you.
Don't wish for it, work for it. Bharat की जय।
They may kill me, but they cannot kill my idea. They can crush my body, but they will not be able to crush my spirit. Bharat Mata ki jai. We fight for independence. I am Sarojini Naidu. I am not ready to die because it requires infinitely higher courage to live. But I love children. I am your Chachaji. I was born in Allahabad. तुम सब जानते हो, मैं जय की रानी हूँ, मैं भारत की स्वतंत्रता सेनानी हूँ।
Freedom is not given, freedom is taken. Jai Hind.
Swaraj is my birthright. I shall have it. Bharat Mata ki jai.
They can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they cannot crush my spirit.
Thank you, dears. It was really cute. Thanks a lot. Now let us watch some glimpses of activities during this pandemic and how Kavita Shady has risen above the COVID-19 pandemic. And dear listeners, your presence made this day a memorable one. Thank you for listening, for encouragement, and for being here, and most importantly, for giving your time and making your presence. Now at last, I would like to welcome Shija ma'am for giving the vote of thanks.
Good morning everyone, Honorable Principal Ma'am and my dear colleagues. At the outset, I am really grateful to our Principal Ma'am for giving me this opportunity to thank all the members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Talasheri on the auspicious occasion of the KVS Foundation Day today. It's my proud privilege to thank all the members of KV Talasheri family for their invaluable contributions towards the progress of the Vidyalaya on this wonderful day. First of all, I would like to thank our learned Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Amrita Bala, for her constant support and guidance, especially for her motivating suggestions for improvement to us. We are very highly fortunate to have an inspiring and dynamic principal like her, and she's really a role model for all of us. Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, I heartily convey my thanks to our senior teachers, Asha ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, Preeta ma'am, Sajeevan sir, Noble sir, Devidas sir, and Navesh sir for their constant endeavors towards the smooth running of online classes and other activities of our Vidyalaya. In spite of the pandemic situation, our students have been able to continue their normal studies through online classes on account of their genuine efforts. Now, I express my heartfelt thanks to Sujata ma'am, Srilata ma'am, Lissy ma'am, for making the online classes interesting and joyful for our little ones. Their constant involvement and interaction have made it possible for our children to learn new things even during the lockdown. Further, I wish to appreciate Adil sir and Navanita ma'am for their all-round involvement in our Vidyalaya activities. At this juncture, it is quite worthwhile to mention the contributions made by our highly enthusiastic and resourceful teachers like Shibu sir, Gurpreet sir, Pragya ma'am, Shambhu sir, and Nasneen ma'am for helping our fellow teachers of the Vidyalaya to impart online mode of teaching to the students during COVID-19 pandemic situation. On behalf of the Vidyalaya, I thank them for being patient and extending a helping hand in order to pass through every hurdle that we faced successfully. In fact, without them, the online mode of teaching would have been impossible. I take this opportunity to thank Manoj sir for his dedication and sincere efforts for the smooth running of our Vidyalaya office. A big thanks to Srimati Jeena, Srimati Geeta, and all the security staff for their dedicated service to the Vidyalaya. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our beloved students and their parents for their unstinted support and cooperation in all the activities of the Vidyalaya. I feel proud to say that it is because of them KV Talasheri has been progressing by leaps and bounds in all fields over the years. To sum up, once again I thank our Honorable Principal Ma'am and all the staff on this special day of KVS Foundation Day. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. We hope that we have been a good host. Once again, thanks to the hard work that all the team members have done, the teachers, the students, and others. And what you witnessed was their effort and hard work. Thank you all.